Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to install Reddit on your PC or laptop, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install Reddit on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome on any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is where you can download the Reddit app, so just go and open it. And once you're on the website, you can now start downloading Reddit by clicking the download button right here. And after that, your Reddit will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then your Reddit installation will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. You will now have your Reddit, so you can now just log in your account and then you will be able to use it. And by the way guys, you might notice that even after installing your Reddit, you might still not find the app on your desktop home screen. So to fix that, just go back to your Reddit app. And once you're back on Reddit, I want you to click this 3 dots at the top. And then select App Settings. And then for the last step, just click this Create Desktop shortcut button to add the app to your desktop home screen. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Reddit app will now be on your desktop home screen. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.